So how do you fully erase Samsung phone? So I have a Samsung Galaxy device in front of me, so let me show it to you right now. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, we need to head over to the settings app, and part of the settings, if you scroll through the options, you'll be able to find the general management. And the general management contains like the basic stuff like the language and a date and time. But at the bottom, you can see the reset section. And when you click on reset, you can do some different things, like you can reset all settings or only network related stuff, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, reset accessibility, right? So this would only reset or get back to the default settings in that area, but it will keep all of your data on the phone. If you want to actually delete everything and fully erase the Samsung phone, at the bottom you need to click on the factory data reset. And when you tap it like this, you'll be able to see that everything will be erased, like your Google account that you are signed in, downloaded apps, pictures, music, your, all of the stuff, system and app data, and all of the accounts, all of the apps. So you have to click on reset and confirm it a few times because it's a very serious step, after which your phone will behave like a brand new one out of the box without a trace of your information. So naturally, this is good if you are selling the phone or you want to give it away and you don't want to keep any of your data there. If you are switching, let's say, to a new device, it would make sense to transfer your data. If you are switching to another new Android phone, you can use an external storage backup, which is still, by the way, part of the reset section. So into the general management, when you go to reset, at the top of the screen, we have the external storage backup, which requires you to connect like an external hard drive or SSD where you save all of your data, right? That's first option. Or you can also use temporary cloud backup, which can be accessed for 30 days during the period you switch to a new device. And it just means that you don't lose your data while you switch to a new phone. So that's something you can do. And lastly, if you are switching to a new device, which is going to be iPhone, right? Like the Apple device, obviously, you can then do and get an app which is called Move to iOS, which is freely available on the Play Store. And it is an app which basically lets you move stuff from the Android to the iPhone, right? Like you decide, it's going to guide you through it. Like it tells me that I am on a low battery, so it wouldn't work, but you can switch stuff like all of your data, apps and everything, and to move it to the new iPhone. So that's something which I would want to like show you and emphasize that it is also a possibility. But for now, that's going to be about it. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you in the future videos.